My name is Marharyta Sharko. I am present our work. Intelligent system of invariant interactions, automorphism of the theory of symmetry for innovative transformation of the tourism production and the extreme environmental influences. A solution to the again, problem of modern international tourism offers and over to preserve the dynamics of financial flows from the implementation of tourism flows in the context of the predictable situation. At the end of the work is my study the possibility of a central context in the implementation of tourism allowing to knowledge regarding cultural and association relationships. The symmetry of objects and traits presents change in the space and space. Rotation that does not change the object in itself. Symmetry in addition the ratio of proposed dimension, the time of consistence on individual paths and systems. To this symmetry to solve the problems of maximization financial flows in the implementation of tourism in the immense circumstances can be set in the trends property of the theory symmetry, which is that some special figures can be obtained with a relatively large number of tones around in the escape. The space of symmetry elements that can be considerating slide number 3 tourism in the travel theory in the time interval based on tourism travel for the internal trade and the tourism production. Such space can be represented in the form in the table. To determine the symmetric configuration, the elements of invariant interactions, it is necessary my select a fixed element. The main tourism and the travel service which determines the interaction of the tourism product. The space of service of the tourism product and their manifestation will be considering symmetric with respect to the place passing through the escape of the main tourism. The intense change of tourism and travel services to enable inconsistencies on restrictions relating to my work. Pandemic nature for the creation of the amount of fund investing in the remote implementation in the face and society. Slide number 3 in the full Fokina algorithm the netbook and the day 3 and as a consisting graph with velocity and flow for edges. The formal description of Fokina algorithm is the full given graph with a capacity and flow from EMV. M is necessary to find a maximum flow slide causes my grain state. The analysis of statistical report to determine the of the tourism network geograph are by experimental and estimators. Slide number 4. Travel duration in the days in the selection and the network. Usually in the week the number of nights is 7. The network of sales of the tourism products and slide number 5. When the algorithm the writing the point into nodes and seeding the bedwise of the network and Z. Is the symmetrical about the axis racing 3 in the main. The precise the moment of the financial forms and the form the travel in time of tourism set from the stretch of the tourism production case trans my defense a group of automorphisms. Slide number 6. Frequency of the sequencing is the same composition impose restrictions of the intervals of compensation of tourism and travel service due my unexpected extension dictates. The interaction of named and neighboring tourism is the base in the symmetry, periodicity, repeating contours, making info accounts based of habit from previous revisions of these complex of services. Slide number 7. A diagram of possible interaction of tourism in the structure of tourism product is shown in slide. The arrows indication the path of the tourism form. The symmetrical configuration shows the photos on the orthogonal simulates transform translation and rotation symmetry. A transformation that reverses the direction of the trace for the implementation of tourism in context of uncertain circulation can be considered automorphism. Algorithm for finding the maximum tourism flow is the multi network. uh, Slide number 8. In the theory and arbitrary temptation of elements in the automorphism in the network of tourism and the date of the implementation, the number automorphism is equation to the number iteration steps of the path. Examples possible combinatorial of symmetric configuration ensuring the tourism product as shown is fiction. Slide number 9 and 10. Building on another contour of symmetric configuration in the Katerina out for the state tourism and travel solvent but implementation and defensive conditions of environmental influence. Slide number 11. Thank you for your attention.